Before launching your store, you also have to choose the Shopify pricing plan. Yes, the good news is that Shopify offers 3-day trial. Then you have to choose your pricing plan. Now, let's see what Shopify offers for you. Shopify provides 3 pricing options: Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. With the basic Shopify options starting at $1 a month for the first 3 months, and Shopify options starting at $79 a month, and Advanced Shopify starting at $299 a month. All plans have features and strengths, so based on your business need, goal, and budget, you can choose the suitable pricing plan for your business. You can see more further features for each option below here. So after choosing your pricing plan, now it's time to launch your Shopify store.